After the moisture content and other statutory requirements are made in the laboratory, the product is then allowed into the production process. According to the Botswana Agricultural Marketing Board, or BAM, the total maize production expected in the country this year is 11,000 tons versus the 72,000 tons of maize that are milled every year here at Bokomo. The first production point is the storage department, where the product goes into these two silos with a capacity of 3,600 tons. The first process is called the screens room, where the maize is cleaned and all foreign material removed. This includes all organic and inorganic material not part of the wholesome maize kernels. There is water added to the maize to soften the outer hull and germ part of the kernel, and the maize lies for a short time in conditioning bins for all the water to be absorbed. Here, a little bit of surface water is added just because the maize is fed into high-speed friction machines that actually uses an abrasive action to separate the germ and the hull from the maize endosperm. The separated particle is used for animal feed, and the clean broken maize is sent to the milling process. The product then goes into the actual milling process. Milling consists of two processes, the grinding and sifting process. The product goes into these rolls, called milling rolls. It then passes through a sifting process. Maize meal is harvested every 4 hours during this process. These specialists we see here are kept very busy during the process of production of maize meal. Samples are regularly taken to the lab to ascertain whether enough nutrients are inside the meal. If the nutrients are found lacking, the appropriate nutrients are added back into the meal. This process is called fortification. After fortification, the product then goes into packaging. White Star maize meal is packaged in 5 kg, 10 kg, 12.5, 25 and 50 kg packages. The packaged product then goes into the warehouse. The warehouse has a very high turnover, so it's good to know that the product only sits in the warehouse for a maximum of 1 week before being transported to your favorite outlet. There is a lot that is made from this corn cob. From this, maize rice, samp, White Star Super and special maize meal is extracted.